Here we have Cardano, as some people know it, Cardano, which is symbol ADA versus the dollar. This one being requested by Mr. Gohan's mom from the Dragon Balls, and he's looking at short and medium term. Well, it should be known that we did hit our target from last week a little bit more fast than I expected at the 2.618 Fibonacci extension right here. Now getting a little bit of a short-term sell-off from there. So where would I be looking for from there? I mean, it looks like it's already pulled back a decent amount. However, 275 is where I'd be looking towards. And this one still looks like it actually wants continuation. The momentum also does actually reveal a lot right here. While it kind of does look extended on the higher term time frames, or just from that prior look, the lower term time frames say that that is not likely. For RSI in the bullish control zone, looking good. Even has a bit of an inverted head and shoulders right there. Volatility continuing to expand here. It's getting rather high. I'd like to see this get to 100 percentile though before I look for a medium term pullback. But right now, I probably would be looking for a move towards $3, maybe 310 to 320 over the next week and a half or so. Speaking of the weekly, looking really fucking good right there. Long-term targets, do we still have some? Yeah, we have plenty actually. Be more so around like $4, but that is probably not happening anytime soon. Weekly RSI playing out the hidden bullish evidence ever so valiantly, and while I would be expecting some ebbs and flows here, I wouldn't be looking for a short-term pullback until this one comes back down and trades below about 250, or let's just call it 260 or so. Below there, I would be looking for a decent sized pullback down to about 2.25 or so, but this one's looking like trend continuation before anything else. 5-day closing today, and this is not something that you might say is bearish. We can also look at it from a momentum perspective as well. I imagine things are looking more or less good here. Weekly, Stokes remain to the upside as long as above 137. Not bad. Daily says 259 is a magical number, so that does come into confluence with the short-term timeframes. 4 hour says 282 actually, so this one is getting a little bit more hot there, but the RSI does say we could perhaps have a little bit more first. Daily is the most obvious one here, however. Any sort of a closure above 285 today, and I would be looking for a general continuation of $3 first before a decent sized pullback. For right now though, let's see what the 12 hour looks like. Yeah, the 12 hour even has a similar thing, but that level's coming in from about 276. So I would look for the 12 hour to kind of bleed into the daily if that does happen. Basically, if the 12 hour closes above that 280 level, I would be looking for a trend continuation first before a pullback. But again, the short-term time frame targets for looking for a pullback first are very, very easy to identify. And so hopefully that was what you were looking for right there. There you have it, Mr. Cardano. Again, this chart kind of says it all on the 5-day. We got momentum, we have trend continuation, and we have volatility. Lovely. Enjoy your Cardano, sir.